Welcome to another project in our how-to series. This one is going to cover how to make these divots for God only knows what purpose. The first step is to line up this blue stick with the divots in the saw and outline where you're going to push the doohickey to. This is the doohickey I was referring to earlier. You're going to need a straight surface to push against, otherwise the doohickey will go crazy. I'm using the straight edge banding, which probably cost $1 billion because all of this woodworking is expensive. Gotta use the clamps. I can't believe you didn't use the Craig ones. We need to shout them out again. Jeez. You call yourself a YouTuber. Link in description.
Oh, now it's time to move it over 1/10 of a quarter of an inch. These scenes are definitely not going to get us any ASMR views.
Ugh, this must be what the divots are for.
Man, those doohickey sounds, they're giving me PTSD from going to the dentist the other day. Maybe I can try a different sound to get men amped up.
Oh no, the doohickey's gonna be starting up again soon. And I ran out of free sound effects, so here you go. You're welcome. Now for the million hours of sanding footage. My question is, does it really take that long to sand, or are you just avoiding doing laundry?
I'm 100% avoiding doing laundry.
Watch our demographic change from 0% women to at least 10%. Look at you clean that table. Ooh, the Varathane triple thick. Link in description. Those are my paintbrushes. I thought you were going to use the foam roller. I love having this new medium to nag at you.
That triple polyurethane sure made that table shiny. If you want your table to be as shiny, well, you know. Link in description.